You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Okay. So does anyone have a piece of paper I can borrow?
Oh, let me see. I think I have some paper.
Okay, cool, thanks.
What is that? Whoa, I have paper too. I think there's a limit on it.
Why are you all reading around limits?
Well, I have even more.
But where are they coming from? Why do we have so many limits?
I have another one.
Does anyone know how to solve these?
Wait, I think I have my math foundations notes.
Oh, okay. Those can help.
Yes. Maybe we can use the squish theorem.
Why don't you put that on the board?
Yeah.
Yeah, that way everyone can see it.
I got it.
Squeeze theorem. If f of x is less than or equal to g of x, and g of x is less than or equal to h of x, for all x in an open interval that contains a, except possibly at a, and the limit of f of x as x approaches a equals the limit of h of x as x approaches a is equal to L, thus the limit of g of x as x approaches a is equal to L.
So what this is saying is that we're basically squeezing the function of g of x between a function that's greater than g of x, which would be h of x, and a function less than g of x, which would be f of x.
So for the proof, since the limit of f of x is equals to L as x approaches infinity, then f of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever x minus a is less than delta 1. The limit of h of x is also equals to L as x approaches a. So h of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever x minus a is less than delta 2. So therefore L minus epsilon is less than f of x and L plus epsilon is greater than f of x.
L minus epsilon is less than h of x, which is less than L plus epsilon, since f of x is less than or equal to g of x, which is less than or equal to h of x. So L minus epsilon is less than f of x, which is less than or equal to g of x, which is less than or equal to h of x, which is less than L plus epsilon. So L minus epsilon is less than g of x, which is less than L plus epsilon. L minus epsilon is less than g of x, which is less than L plus epsilon. The absolute value of g of x minus L is less than epsilon. Let delta equal the minimum of delta 1 and delta 2. If the absolute value of x minus a is less than delta, then these must be true. The absolute value of x minus a is less than delta 1. The absolute value of x minus a is less than d2.
No, it's delta.
Okay. The absolute value of g of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever the absolute value of x minus a is less than d. Thus the limit as x approaches a of g of x equals L.
So I think we all understand how to solve these limits using the squeeze theorem now, right guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
It's a shame what happened to Shane though.